Go on.
Okay, I was born in Berlin.
Are you sure?
At this time I was
Okay.
born.
Okay, let's pretend.
So you have to do an accent. I was born in Germany.
Then I sailed to Russia via Atlantic Ocean and
No, that doesn't work. Does it?
It does. Germany has access to Baltic. Okay.
then I ran to St. Petersburg to Finland and I
Don't be.
went afoot to Norway.
Is it correct to go afoot?
On foot.
On foot.
On foot.
But look, actually, in the, I consulted with the dictionary, and it says also, I went afoot.
Actually, I trust to
Yeah,
native
it's
speaker.
probably a bit of an older expression.
Older.
Yeah.
Okay, let's then use on foot.
I trust to native speaker more than.
Okay, very good. Then your teacher or your dictionary, right?
Yes.
You see, dictionaries sometimes fail us because they give some old expressions which are not in use anymore.
They do. It's like translators, you know?
What?
Translators. You use an automatic translator. Translators don't understand.
Actually, no, it's not automatic. It's just.
No, I'm just saying. There's a comparison between dictionaries and translators. They provide just strict things as opposed to accounting for context, for example.
Okay, very good. Thanks.
But just one thing, you said you traveled to the Norway.
Yes.
And when you speak of countries, you almost never say the. Countries that have the are
Netherlands.
the United Kingdom.
Yes, the Netherlands.
What else? That's about it. The United States.
Ah.
But for any other country, it should.
You said the Norway.
No.
Yeah, the Norway.
Oh.
You see, when you say the Norway, it means this Norway.
As if there were more than one.
Yes. You cannot say I went to a Norway. You see?
And I go to Bosnia and Herzegovina.
Bosnia and Herzegovina.
And I ended my life in Albania.
Your life?
Ended your life. You committed suicide.
No, I just
Okay, how long did it take you?
10 years.
10 years? So you lived only 10 years?
10 years. Yeah, I lived in Germany for 60 years. Then I.
Okay, I see. Okay. So just tell us about your itinerary.
Okay, well,
What did you manage to do and
well, I did this. So what I did is I decided it'd be a good idea to go to Spain
okay.
because I've heard it's very sunny and they drink a lot of sangria.
Okay.
And then when I was finished with Spain, I took a little sail on the Mediterranean Sea and I went to Italy to eat some pasta and pizza. And then I went to France to check out Provence because it's a nice region. Paris.
Goûter du vin.
Goûter du vin, oui. J'ai bu du vin en France. Et ensuite j'ai pris l'avion. And then I took a plane to Ukraine. Just like I did in real life.